How to fix common error in Amazon Prime Video. In order to fix Amazon Prime Video's error, you could start with the basic ones. That is, first thing first, check your internet connection. So for that, you want to open up settings onto your device. When you open up settings, you then want to go to network and internet, right? So when you go to network and internet, you want to click onto the internet button. And as you do this, you then need to go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi or the connections that you're connected to, and you could go ahead and restart your device. Once you go ahead and do this, you might be able to see the changes. If not, you could also try restarting your device. For that, hold on to your side button and then you click onto the restart button, and that's how you will also be able to fix some of the errors. Next, moving on, you also want to check for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So what you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and open up your respective app store, type in Prime Video on the search bar, and make sure to update the app to the latest version. Sometimes updating your app can fix temporary glitch as well. Now moving on, what you want to also do is open up settings onto your device and locate apps from the list. As you locate apps from the list, you want to go to Prime Video and make sure to click on storage and cache, and here you want to go ahead and clear cache, and that should also be able to help. If nothing works out, then the simple solution is to restart your device, at the same time uninstall and reinstall the application, and that's going to definitely help you out fix common error in Amazon Prime Video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.